I'm struggling, trying to figure out how to make all of this be nutritious, economical, and anti-inflammatory. How are carrots anti-inflammatory? Carrots are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are believed to fight inflammation. If you like carrots, comment below. Chickpeas are also known as garbanzo beans, which are rich in protein and fiber and full of inflammation-fighting nutrients. These phytonutrients reduce inflammation. Onions contain quercetin, an anti-inflammatory antioxidant that limits the effects of inflammatory chemicals within the body. Chopping or crushing garlic or onions releases an enzyme that forms allicin, which breaks down to create sulfonic acid, an inflammation-fighting enzyme compound. You can get this apron online at bellalafay.com. As a child, I didn't like onions. I always picked them out of my food. Now I love them. How about you? Comment below. Cauliflower contains substances called glucosinolates that protect from cell damage and have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. I think cauliflower tastes similar to broccoli. I like broccoli best. Which do you like better, cauliflower or broccoli? Comment below. Sweet potatoes are thought to contain super high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Turmeric has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. Did you know that cashew nuts are anti-inflammatory? Comment below. I just learned that cashew nuts are anti-inflammatory. A soup that is creamy and chunky. Satisfying.